Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I am working on my Hickok 752A today, and I'm cleaning the switches here, the contacts on the switches. And let me show you what I'm using to do that. Using Corrosion X here in the aerosol can. So the Corrosion X spray. I also have Corrosion X here in the bottle. But I like the spray can better. The Corrosion X in the bottle, it just sort of pours out as you spray it. And I can control the spray in the aerosol can better. But it's the same, of course, same stuff, the same lubricant and cleaner. And then having these little Q-tips helps to clean up. But this is what I was working on. Of course, after you spray it, the spray kind of gets in places. I had removed, it was a good thing to remove this this chart. I had it out, and it would have been better to leave it out till I totally finished, but I bought this product after I had already reinstalled the chart, so I used that the paper towel there to protect it, to guard from any spray getting on it. And if I had to spray more over that way, I'd put more of the paper towel over it, because I don't want the spray to get on that, because the chart is in mint condition. Okay. It looks real good now. It had all of that white corrosive material on these pots here and switches, and just the white corrosive material was all in here. But since I use this Corrosion X, I've cleaned that up. So now I'm just using the Q-tip to get rid of the residual liquid that's still in here. And I'm going to let it set. Before I put this back together, I'll let it set, give it this stuff time to dry. He's the new superintendent of the stage line. He's got papers to prove it. He told me to tell you that. Let's see. I'll spray some and let you see what it looks like. According to the description I have, here's on this switch right here. That's my name. Did you get my message? Not yet. Suppose you deliver it to me in person. That's what it looks like. And I take a little bit of this, take the Q-tip, spread it around there. What I have to be careful about, is making sure that I use a fresh Q-tip as often as possible, because I certainly don't want to leave any of this cotton material behind. Don't want to do that. All right. think that does it. Okay, all the switches and pots have now been cleaned with Corrosion X and my Q-tip, and I've used this to, and the paper towels, to wipe up residual. So soon I'll be ready to try it out. I've replaced, of course, capacitors and resistors that were outside of the range. There's one resistor here. There's another one I'm getting ready to. I got to solder that one in. I just put that on here. I just attached this resistor. Now I have to solder it. Okay. Looking good. All right, that's it. Dr. Kemp, the Hammer Doc. Peace out.